Good morning, students. Welcome you. Shokatli chemistry classes. We study sulfuric acid. Today we discuss the manufacturing method of sulfuric acid contact process. It is very important question. Contact process is the modern process for the manufacture of sulfuric acid principle. The process involves the oxidation of SO2 by air into sulfur trioxide in the presence of high pressure and low pressure and in the presence of platinum catalyst. 2SO2 plus O2 gives 2SO3. The oxidation of SO2 is a reversible reaction, exothermal, and volume decrease in forward reaction. So according to Le-Chatelier's principle, the favorable conditions for the greater yield of SO3 are low temperature and high pressure. SO3 gas that obtained is absorbed in concentrated sulfuric acid, forming fuming H2SO4, which is also known as oleum. In order to obtain sulfuric acid is desired concentration, it is diluted with suitable amount of water. SO3 plus H2SO4 gives H2S2O7. H2S2O7 plus H2SO4 gives 2H2SO4. कॉन्टैक्ट प्रोसेस में है एक्चुअली में क्या कि सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड गैस का प्लेटिनम कैटलिस्ट और वेनेडियम पेंटाऑक्साइड कैटलिस्ट की प्रेजेंस में एयर की ऑक्सीजन से SO3 गैस में क्या किया जाता है, ऑक्सीडेशन कर लेते हैं। इस तरह जो SO3 गैस ऑब्टेंड होती है उसको H2SO4 के में एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं, जिससे ओलियम बन जाता है H2S2O7। ओलियम में वाटर को हम ऐड कर देते हैं तो इट फॉर्म्स H2SO4। प्रोसीजर: द प्लांट यूज्ड इन द मैन्युफैक्चर ऑफ sulfuric acid by contact process is shown in figure. The various parts of this plant and their functions are: number 1, pyrite burner. It is a special type of furnace in which sulfur or iron pyrite is burnt in the presence of air to obtain SO2 gas. S plus O2 gives SO2. For FeS2 plus 11O2 gives 2Fe2O3 plus 8SO. Dust chamber. Besides SO2 and O2, the entering mixture also contain the impurity of sulfur, dust particles, arsenic oxide, etc. In this chamber, steam is sent from the top. It deposits on the dust particles so they get still down. Cooling pipe. These are made up of lead. When gaseous mixture is passed through it, it gets cooled up to 100 degrees Celsius. Washing tower or washing chamber. The cooled gaseous mixture is washed through the stream of air falling from the top. Here dust particles and water soluble impurities are removed from here. It is sent to drying chamber. In it, concentrated sulfuric acid is dropped from the top which dried the moist gases mixture raising upward. Purifying chamber. In this chamber or arsenic chamber, ferric hydroxide is placed when the dry and pure gases mixture enters in the purifier. The ferric hydroxide placed in it absorbs the impurities of arsenic in the mixture. Testing boxes. Sharp light rays are sent through the box so that the dust particle present in the gases mixture shines. The transparent gases mixture is completely free from the dust. Contact chamber. It is the important part of this. It is the important part of this plant. This chamber consists of iron pipes packed with platinized absorbed or vanadium pentoxide catalyst. Its temperature is maintained for 5 to 500 degrees Celsius. When the mixture of dry and pure SO2 and air enters in the tubes, the SO2 gets oxidized from SO3 to SO2 plus O2 gives to SO3. Absorption tower. The SO3 formed in the contact chamber is sent to the absorption tower, in which quart pieces are filled. Here 97-98% concentrated sulfuric acid is formed. The concentrated sulfuric acid absorbs SO3 and gets converted into fuming sulfuric acid, which is also called oleum. H2SO4 plus SO3 gives H2SO7. Oleum is converted into concentrated acid by adding suitable amount of water. H2SO7 plus H2O gives 2H2SO4. देखिए ये वो प्लांट है। फर्स्ट पार्ट होता है पायराइट बर्नर, सेकंड डस्ट चैम्बर, फिर वॉशिंग टावर, ड्राइंग चैम्बर, आर्सेनिक प्योरीफायर, टेस्टिंग बॉक्स, कॉन्टैक्ट चैम्बर एंड एब्जॉर्प्शन टावर।